Hi, I'm Joe Konkowski.
And I'm Mark Hansen.
We're with Electronic Design Company. Today we're going to demonstrate the noise canceling capability of the Stenofon Intercom System. This sort of noise canceling capability is used in parking ramps, it's used in truck scales, it's used in clean rooms, anywhere where background noise prevents clear communication.
Here we're going to demonstrate the noise canceling feature of the Stenofon system. At this time, I'm going to place the IP station inside the engine of our V8 pickup, and I'm going to take the analog station and place that also inside the engine of our pickup. Now I'm going to push the button of the analog station and have Joe answer it and talk to us.
Hey Joe, can you hear me on this?
Yeah, Mark, I can hear you, but there's a lot of background noise.
Yep, we got the motor running.
Now I'm going to have you cancel the call. I'm going to push the button on the IP station.
Should be pretty noisy, pretty similar.
So at this time, why don't we switch over to the noise canceling feature on the IP station and see the difference.
Okay.
Does it sound a lot different?
As soon as I switch back, the background noise goes completely away.
Yep, and that's the demonstration of the noise canceling feature on the IP turbine station.
Mark, thank you very much. It worked really well. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of Stenofon's really great noise canceling capability. We have a lot of clients that use this. They all love it. It works really well. If you want more information about this or would even like a quote, you could reach out to us at Electronic Design's website. That's edcsolutions.com. Thank you very much.